The Shimanami Kaido is a highway running through some of Japan's most spectacular scenery. It's also a cycling route that attracts cyclists from all over the world. Over 300,000 people a year come to cycle the Shimanami Kaido. The 70-kilometer route runs across the Seto Inland Sea, passing over 6 islands as it connects Hiroshima and Ehime Prefectures. Most cyclists start their trip from Onomichi in Hiroshima Prefecture. An ancient port, today Onomichi provides everything a cycling tourist will need, from hotels to rental cycles and bicycle maintenance shops. We begin by taking the ferry to Ikuchijima Island, where the actual cycling route begins. Suitable even for beginners, the Shimanami Kaido mostly follows the coast, with exhilarating views over the sea. It's hard to get lost. As long as you follow the blue lines, you know you're on the route. And located along the way are about 140 cycle oases, places to borrow tools or just take a break. The best part of the route are the 6 bridges between the islands. There are very few places where you can cycle like this, high above the sea. That bridge brought us to Ikuchijima Island. As well as this nostalgic shopping street with its old-style buildings, this island is famous for producing more lemons than anywhere else in Japan. Farmers here use no artificial fertilizers or chemicals, and you can taste the difference. These lemons have a unique fragrance. On Omishima Island, the midpoint of the Shimanami Kaido, is the ancient Oyamazumi Shrine. Its famous camphor tree has been standing here for an incredible 2,600 years. The perfect end to a long day's cycling is a dinner of seafood, freshly caught from the Seto Inland Sea, one of Japan's most fertile fishing grounds. And nothing could be more relaxing than this peaceful view from the beach. Historically, the area around the Seto Inland Sea flourished due to trade between Kyoto and Nara and mainland China. This was a major international shipping hub for over 1,500 years, and it's still home to Japan's largest shipbuilding industry. Now we're on Oshima, the last island on the Shimanami Kaido, climbing up Mount Kiro. This is a tough 4-kilometer uphill. The incline is a strenuous 8 degrees. Once you get to the top, though, the view is amazing. Looking back over the islands, the Shimanami Kaido and its bridges stretch far into the distance. We're now on the Hiroshima Kaikyo Bridge and nearing the end of our route. This is the biggest of all the bridges on the Shimanami Kaido. It's so high you can see the mountains of Shikoku beyond the islands of the Inland Sea. And here we are at the end of the road, Imabari in Ehime Prefecture. A big attraction of the Shimanami Kaido is that it lets you go at your own pace and really enjoy these lovely islands.